Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new, you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, let's take a look at our goal for the next day. We would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. So, before we actually, try to predict where our price will be moving for the next day and why we'll be placing short trade, I want you to actually stick with me to the end. So, we will start with the weekly time frame to be able to understand this movement itself. So, when you take a look at this full movement on this when you try you zoom out on this weekly time frame, you see that you can easily spot a levels, right? You can easily spot two levels, which is the resistance and the support level. You can see that once price came to this level, we had a rejection or a reaction at this level, then price dropped, right? It came to this same level, it tapped here multiple times, then price went up again, it came to this same level, price has reacted to, it's rejected to previously, which is this resistance level, right? Price came to this same level, then price reacted to it and it's dropped down to this support level. You can see that this price is kind of hitting this support and our resistance level. Now, if you see that this price actually came up to this resistance level, right? And then price actually dropped to this support level. And now what are we seeing next? We are now seeing a bullish move. So that is still to tell you that we would continue to have that bullish move till next year, 2023. Probably around August next year, we should be able to take out this resistance on this gold. So this gold on the weekly aspect or weekly time frame, we will continue to see an higher highs and an higher lows. We will continue to have an uptrend on this gold. So if you are a long-term trader, you can go ahead to go long, right? In 6-7 months, you should be able to take out this resistance level on gold. So that is it. And you can see that this is our moving average that we are using, which is 10 period moving average. Now, you all know the rules of trading this 10 period moving average is that once our price is trading below this moving average, which is trading below our 10 period moving average, then there's only one movement we should watch out for, which is to actually go ahead and sell. You should look for a position or a setup to actually, go ahead to take short this position. But if it is above this moving average, then we are to go long, right? We should look for a position to go long. So clearly we can see that this price is above our moving average. So this is one of the reasons why this GBP gold, we would still expect a further bullish move, right? And now take a look at another reason why we'll be expecting a bullish move on this gold is that you can take a look at this as an impulse move or an uptrend move. Then here is a pullback or a correction if you want, then a new highs have been made. You can take a look at after that new highs, a correction has been made. Now, after this correction, what do we expect? We expect a continuous bullish move. So this is still to tell you that this gold, we should be expecting another bullish move. So I've given you like 3 to 4 reasons why we will continue to see that bullish move on our gold. And I think another reasons is that our DXY, there's kind of like a correlation between our um USD in USD to our gold, right? Once there's a drop on USD or DXY, you tend to see a bullish move on our gold. One of the reasons that we are seeing a drop on our DXY, this is why gold is giving us a bullish move. Did I say fortunately or unfortunately, this gold will continue to go bullish or continue to give us that bullish because this DXY will continue to drop. So we will continue to see that bullish move. And I've done how to analysis, done course on how to trade good fundamentally and technically, so you can check it out. I've pinned the video on the channel. Just check it out and be able to watch it. Now, to be able to predict this price for the next day, we would have to go to the daily time frame. So before you actually place your trade, especially on the daily time frame, one thing you would want to ask yourself is that what is the trend for this moment? That is the simple thing. First thing you should be able to answer. First question you should ask yourself, and you must be able to answer it, is that what is the trend for the movements? And we clearly can say that this is an uptrend move. So you can take a look at this as an highs, and here will be considered a correction. Then we would see this as a new highs, and here comes a correction, right? And here is a new highs, then a correction was made here. If you take a look at this again, a new highs have been made. You see that this new highs broke this previous highs, and here comes a correction, right? Then again, a new highs was made. You can see this huge candlestick wick sticking out. You see that this highs actually broke this previous highs. So that is to tell you that this gold is on a bullish move. And here comes a correction. After the correction, what do we expect next? Of course, we expect a further bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why we actually opened and closed bullish on Friday, the Friday that just passed, right? This Friday that just finished. We actually opened and closed bullish because we are now on an impulse move. We want to have that new impulse move that will break our previous highs. This is the previous highs here. So we would want to have that new impulse move that will break this previous highs. So another reason why gold for the next day also we would expect a bullish move. So this Monday, which is 19th, right, of December, expect this gold to actually open and close bullish. So this gold, we would expect that bullish move. And if you take a look at this movement, you see that this price has once been above this moving average, right? It has been trading above this moving average. Then a pullback was made, right? You see that a pullback was made, which broke below this moving average a little bit, right? Which broke, kind of, it's either price give us a pullback, tap the moving average before we continue the bullish move, or price give us a pullback, breaks below this moving average a little bit, or like I said, it's either it taps the moving average or it breaks below it a little bit before we continue that bullish move. So clearly we can see here that price have broken this moving average below a little bit. We can see that price has broken it a little bit. So we should be expecting a bullish move on this good. So another reason why we're very much likely to open and close bullish or this our gold. Now let's take a look at the level we would want to watch out for, right? Let's see if gold in today's time we should be able to take out this ice, which is or we should be able to take out a level of 1820, like 1820 within next day and upper one, that is Monday and Tuesday. We should expect a bullish move on Monday and Tuesday. So the level we all should be watching at is 1820. That is 1820. So gold, watch out for that level. And you can also see that this price is also above our moving average, right? You can now see that once price broke slightly below it, then price have now corrected itself and it is now trading above the moving average. As long as it is still above our moving average, then we still consider this as a buy and we would want to go ahead to go long on this good. You can see this price trading above this moving average. So anyhow you want to do it, we should go ahead to go long for the next day. Now to be able to place this trade, let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So we clearly can see this is an ice pullback, new ice pullback. So this is an ice, right? Let's see if the 4 hour time frame will give us a pullback anytime soon, right? Possibly, probably once a pullback has been made, then we can go ahead to go long on this gold for the next day, which I believe a pullback will uh, happen anytime soon. But let's see, very much likely to get to this level, which I would be watching out for. Reason is that I'm watching out for this level price to actually get to this level before we have a pullback or a drop. Is that price has once reacted to this level previously. We saw price reacted to here, price came to the same level on the 4 hour time frame, it dropped. We saw it came to the same level again, price reacted to this level, dropped. Price kind of broke slightly a little bit, which we might not really count it. Now price is giving us a bullish move. Let's see it get to a level of 1800 before we kind of have like a pullback, a good amount, maybe a meaningful pullback. So this gold itself on the 4 hour time frame, we are still speculating a bullish move. And you can also see it, this price is still trading above our 10 period moving average. You can see it is trading above our moving average. So we still consider this as a bullish move for the next day.